To seventh problem in exercise 11.1. A chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeters subtends an angle of 120 degrees at the center. Find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle. Okay. From this figure, ST is the chord of circle and O is the center of circle, subtends an angle 120 degrees at center of circle O. Okay. And radius OS and OT. Radius is OS equal to OT equal to 12 centimeters. Okay. Now bisect the 120 degrees and perpendicular to ST. I join OV. OV. This is the perpendicular to ST. ST. So this angle is 60 degrees. Here, this angle here 60 degrees. Therefore, cos 60 from triangle OVS cos 60 equal to, we know the opposite side, cos theta formula is adjacent side to hypotenuse. OS is the hypotenuse. In this triangle, OS is the hypotenuse. SV and OV are sides. So cos 60 equal to, adjacent side is OV, hypotenuse is OS. We know the value. OS value is 12. Cos 60 value is 1/2 equal to OV by 12. Therefore, OV equal to 6 centimeters. Okay. Now, also I have write sin 60 from this triangle. Sin formula is opposite side to hypotenuse. In this triangle, opposite side is SV, hypotenuse is OS. We know the OS value is 12 centimeters. Sin 60 value is √3/2 equal to SV by 12. We get value SV equal to 6√3 centimeters. Okay. Therefore, ST equal to 2 twice of SV. That means 2 into 6√3. We get 12√3. ST value is 12√3. Therefore, area of triangle OST equal to half into base is ST, height is OV. So we get 1/2 into ST value is 12√3, OV value is 6. Cancellation, we get value 3 12s 36. 36 into √3. √3 value is 1.73. Overall, we get value 62.28 centimeters square. Okay. Now we find out area of sector OSUT equal to, we know the formula, theta by 360 into pi r square. Here theta is 120 by 360 into pi into r value means 12 square. 0 0 cancellation 3 times. So 1 by 3 into pi value is 3.14. 12 square means 144. Overall we get value here 150.72 centimeter square. Therefore, now we find out area of minor segment. Area of minor segment means this is the highlight region. Highlight region is a minor segment, area of minor segment, equal to area of minor segment equal to area of minor sector OSUT minus area of triangle OST. We know the value. Area of sector value is 150.72 minus area of OST value is 62.28 centimeters. We get overall we get 88.244 centimeters. Okay, this is the area of minor segment. Understood this problem? Thank you. Okay.